Life wasn't bad. I just always felt like there was something missing. I guess I got the dog when I realised what was missing in my life was a dog. My first impression of Wolfie was he looked depressed and had hair the colour of an old sports sock. Was he psychologically damaged? Well, he had probably been through some hard times, but hey, hadn't we all? I gave him every ounce of love I could. You can't help yourself. They give it back. He was sleeping on more and more soft furnishings. I went for more and more walks. It was win-win. The dog became like my own personal Dalai Lama. I stopped trying to find the answers to everything, trying to win at everything, and instead, I lived in the moment. And then one day, he just ran away. Someone said losing a dog is like losing a child, only without the police helicopters and press conferences. It's about feeling powerless, heartbroken, and ridiculous all at once. Because everyone else is looking at you, thinking, it's just a dog, get over it. But it's never just a dog.